The most haunted places in Germany. Germany is a country with a long and rich history, and with that history comes several haunted places. In this video, we will explore some of the most haunted places in Germany, from castles to forests to abandoned asylums. Here are some of the haunted castles in Germany. Hohenzollern Castle. This castle is a neo-Renaissance castle situated on a hilltop in the Swabian Jura mountains of southwest Germany. It is the ancestral seat of the Hohenzollern family, who ruled Prussia and Germany for centuries. The castle is a popular tourist destination and offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside. 2. Marienburg Castle. Marienburg Castle is a Gothic revival castle in the town of Marienburg, Lower Saxony, Germany. It was built in the 19th century as a summer residence for the royal house of Guelph. The castle is surrounded by a moat and features several towers and turrets. It is a popular tourist destination and is often used for weddings and other events. Eltz Castle. This is a medieval castle in the Eifel Mountains of western Germany. It is one of the best preserved castles in Germany and has been owned by the Eltz family for over 800 years. The castle is surrounded by a forest and features several towers and turrets. It is a popular tourist destination and is often used for weddings and other events. All three castles are stunning examples of German architecture and offer a glimpse into the country's rich history. If you are interested in castles, I would recommend visiting one of these three castles during your next trip to Germany. The forests. Here are some of the haunted forests in Germany. The Black Forest. The Black Forest is the largest forested area in Germany. It is home to a variety of trees, including fir, pine, and spruce. The forest is also home to several wildlife, including deer, boar, and foxes. It is known for its dense forests, winding rivers, and traditional villages. The Black Forest is a popular tourist destination and is a great place to go hiking, biking, and skiing. The Harz Mountains are a mountain range in central Germany. It's known for its copper mining history. The mountains are also home to several castles and ruins, including the Brocken, the highest peak in the Harz Mountains. They are known for their forests, lakes, and waterfalls. The Harz Mountains are a popular tourist destination and are a great place to go hiking, biking, and skiing. The Teutoburg Forest. This forest is known for its role in German history. The Battle of the Teutoburg Forest was a major turning point in the Roman Empire's expansion into Germany. The forest is also home to several historical sites, including the Verestein, a memorial to the Roman general Varus who was killed in the battle. The Teutoburg Forest is a mountain range in northwestern Germany. It is known for its forests, rivers, and historical significance. The Teutoburg Forest is where the Germanic tribes led by Arminius defeated the Roman legions in the Battle of the Teutoburg Forest in 9 AD. All three forests are beautiful and offer a variety of activities for visitors to enjoy. If you are looking for a relaxing getaway in nature, I would recommend visiting one of these forests during your next trip to Germany. The abandoned asylums. Here are some of the abandoned asylums in Germany that are said to be haunted, such as the Belitz-Heilstätten Hospital, the Wittenberg Hospital, and the Arnsberg Mental Hospital. Belitz-Heilstätten Hospital is a former hospital in Belitz, Brandenburg, Germany. It was founded in 1898 as a sanatorium for tuberculosis patients. During World War I, the hospital was used to treat soldiers with gas poisoning. During World War II, the hospital treated both German and Soviet soldiers. After the war, the hospital treated patients with various diseases, including tuberculosis, polio, and mental illness. The hospital was closed in 2000 and is now abandoned. Belitz-Heilstätten Hospital is particularly popular with ghost hunters, who say that they have seen ghosts of former patients and staff. Wittenberg Hospital is a former hospital in Wittenberg, Saxony-Anhalt, Germany. It was founded in 1869 as a mental hospital. During World War II, the hospital treated soldiers with mental illness. After the war, the hospital continued to operate as a mental hospital until it was closed in 2007. The hospital is now abandoned. Arnsberg Mental Hospital is a former mental hospital in Arnsberg, North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. It was founded in 1876 as a psychiatric hospital. During World War II, the hospital treated soldiers with mental illness. After the war, the hospital continued to operate as a mental hospital until it was closed in 2009. The hospital is now abandoned. All three hospitals are now abandoned and are said to be haunted. They are all reminders of a dark time in German history. They were places where people were treated for diseases that were often fatal, and where people with mental illness were often stigmatized and mistreated. However, they also played an important role in German history, and they are a reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. Germany is a country with a rich history of ghosts and hauntings. If you are looking for a spine-tingling experience, be sure to visit one of these haunted places in Germany. I hope you enjoyed this video about the most haunted places in Germany. If you did, please give me a turn up and comment below if you have visited any of the haunted places in Germany. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.